Don't miss these features of WhatsApp Business app for your clinic. Hi guys, welcome to LDFS. I'm Dr. Lakshmy. Today we will be discussing about features of WhatsApp Business app which you should never miss for your clinic. I hope you watched earlier video where we have discussed about why every clinic should have WhatsApp Business, and I am hoping that you all have started using WhatsApp Business for your clinic. Today let's discuss about the different features of WhatsApp Business which you should never miss. But before we proceed further, kindly like and subscribe and share to at least 3 more junior dentists so that they can benefit maximum from those videos which we are sharing. Thank you so much in advance for sharing it. First thing is the greeting message. Greeting message is a message which is sent directly from our WhatsApp Business app automatically. Okay, whenever a patient sends you some message, there can be two format of sending it. One, if any new patient contacts you, this greeting message will be directly sent to them. Or else in the settings, we can do something like, if the patient has not contacted us in the past 14 days, then whenever he's sending the message, he will be replied with first the greeting message. Greeting message is something like having a 24/7 receptionist who will answer to all the messages that has been sent to the clinic. It's awesome, right? To have someone who is dedicatedly sending the messages so that the patient doesn't feel that they are not they are neglected and nobody have sent them some reply and all those things. So greeting message can be used in the WhatsApp Business, which is a good feature, and that message directly goes to your patient. That is the first thing. Greeting message can be something which will improve not only the patient experience but also give them some idea about your clinic. It can be the location, or it can be something like the timing, whatever you want to send them. You can send them any information about your clinic to them in the greeting message itself. Second feature is QR code can be created for the WhatsApp Business account, or a short link can be created for the WhatsApp Business account. And what does this do? This can help us reach our customer directly. Like they can just scan the code and the QR code, and then directly have a directly the chat box will open in their WhatsApp. So they don't need to save the number and all those things and all. Directly the chat box will have open, and they can directly have a chat with us. That is the first thing. So you can just take a printout and keep it outside your clinic, and so that they can directly scan and reach out to you. Or else a short link can be created for the WhatsApp, which we can upload in various platforms, and there if they click it directly, it will open the chat box on their WhatsApp. So these are the different features which are there in the WhatsApp Business app, which will help your customers directly contact you. Because sometimes the patient are hesitant to write the number. Sometimes they have to, if they want to send us a WhatsApp message, ideally whenever we send a WhatsApp message to somebody new, we have to save that number and then send that message. It's little cumbersome. The patient will, if the patient is impatient, then they won't do all these things. So if a QR code is outside your clinic, they can directly just open their phone and scan it, and then directly message us on WhatsApp. So that is something added patient experience which is created. So that is the second feature of WhatsApp Business which you should definitely use. Third thing is the away message. Away message is very useful because we can't be always 24/7 available for the patient, right? There are some timings when we are available. After that, maybe we are not. If we want to, that's a different story, but we will not be totally always available, kind of thing. So this setting or this feature help us that whenever the patient messages us outside the business hours, outside the clinic timing, then a direct message will go to them that we are currently unavailable, and you will be getting a reply as soon as possible whenever we open tomorrow. Whatever message you want to write, you can write that message, frame that message, and save it, so that whenever somebody messages you outside the clinic hours, they will get a prompt reply that we are currently unavailable. And you are not under stress that you have to reply to them right now. You have to check your WhatsApp business every day. It's okay. You can check only in the clinic timing also. It's up to us. So that gives us little freedom. So that is the third feature which you should never miss of WhatsApp business app. Fourth feature is organizing the chat. Now, what do you mean by that is, imagine there are 10 people contacting you today, and out of that 10, 3 were new patients whom we have not given the appointment yet. We have to give them some appointment. We couldn't contact them for XYZ reason. We can just label that chat that appointment has to be given, and keep it under that one group. So whenever in the settings we go, we can just click on those labels and we can see whom all are waiting for the appointments to be given. Or maybe the 10 out of the 10 patients who contacted you today, maybe 3 were for the follow-ups. You can just set up a label for the follow-ups. So tomorrow your receptionist can just click on those labels and then contact them. So these are the different organizing of the chats and all those things which will help us reach out to them on a better way, so that we don't miss any of our patients' messages. So that is one of the interesting feature of WhatsApp business which you should never miss. Fifth feature is creating a catalog for your clinic. Now, catalog, this can be used by various businesses in the various ways. They can, somebody, if they are selling something, they can put those things. But for us, we can use it for uploading different cases which we have done, or uploading different kind of treatments which are done in our clinic. Like maybe the ortho treatment are done, the implants are done, so that whenever patient visits the WhatsApp business profile of ours, they will see the different type of treatments which are done in our clinic. Because sometimes if I am a pediatric dentist, they will feel that the adult treatment is not done there, or maybe the orthodontic treatment is not done there, or maybe implant cases is not done there, or dentures are not done there. So we will be showing it to them that no, we do all these things. These are the different treatments which we are doing in our clinic. So that helps us to create a catalog kind of thing which showcases different products, or rather in our case scenario, showcases different treatments which we are doing. And also we can upload some photos in few. So these are the features, 5 different features. There are a lot more features also, but these are the 5 basic features which I feel we should never miss, and use these to the maximum benefit for the improving the patient experience in our clinic. I hope you have started using these features. Kindly comment below and let us know which all features are you using on the WhatsApp business for your clinic. We would love to know that. And kindly like, share, and subscribe, and send us a hi on this number. We'll add you to the special WhatsApp broadcast list. And whenever we are sending some messages or some videos online, you'll be the first one to receive it. Thank you so much, guys. Until next time, bye.